If it's all in the mind, I can do it. If I can't get over it, I can go through this. Make my move at a time and pursue this. Nah, no more time for excuses. Can't no one do it like the Don Mama. Feeling like Mary Jane, no more drama. Feeling like I had enough trauma. Now I plan to come back in a head wrap and pajamas. Pay me dues, ready to roll Michelle Obama. Had some good, then some bad karma. I'm not righteous like the Dalai Lama. I'll bring back your teen spirit, Nirvana. I'm classic Moonlight Sinatra. Moves walk over you, Nancy Sinatra. Indies so me do what me wanna. Don't need for take orders from no man, Don't need no pills or marijuanas. It's natural when I grab them, mic for go bananas. Don't test me, boy, mind your manners. Breathe in prana, do an abayanga. Me man's the lightning, me are the thunder. Maintain so the man see me feel hunger. Read about me Shakti, sipping black tea. Then I call a taxi, shut down or showing me khakis. Airplane radio, this jockey. Never faint hearted, this road is rocky. If you don't like me, you can get on your knees. And you can eat it like souvlaki. Tone it down, ninja please. Hot brown honey's taking over like killer bees. Coke bottle shaped like a killer tease. Then one lock me down like ice cream, deep freeze. Can't copy me, me are the diva. Know how to run things. Queen Sheba walked through the storm and came out deeper. 13 years strong, yeah, call me a keeper. You're not the underdog, you didn't start from the bottom. Make this with a blowtorch and some goggles. The speed is full throttle, make the world wobble. How you gonna put a hurricane in a bottle? You're not the underdog, you didn't start from the bottom. Made this with a blowtorch and some goggles. The speed is full throttle, make the world wobble. How you gonna put a hurricane in a bottle? Chop!